Leonquilas FC versus FKUB. Pitch number 3. Next game, Santa Ana de San Carlos FC versus Tanyon College FT. Pitch number 4. Pitch number 4, next game, Bato Spartans Football versus Seattle Football Aficionados B.